What up, YouTube? Today is chest and back day. So based on last time, we gotta beat 21 reps. Here we go. It's way less, 17. We'll do a rest pause and then try to go over it. That's 21 right there. We'll do one more rest pause. So the way the rest pause work is you give yourself maybe 10 seconds to let your heart rate go down a little and just get a couple more reps. Okay, it's not even moving, so I think I'm done with that. I think I've matched it. Yeah, we got to beat it. So it says 21. Come on. And maybe it's my seat placement. It just feels a little bit more harder today. Let's see. There we go. Okay, well, let's say 24. A little bit better. Not really. I think some of it was the placement of it, though. Next exercise is incline press. Last time I did this, I only got one rep off. The second one, I slipped. And by then, I just had no energy. So this time, I'm going to see if I can beat one rep. I got to get at least two. I'm hoping maybe three. Just depends on how we feel. All right. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Oh. That last rep. Oh. Whew. Well, I feel good about that. So I think on this, I want to do a drop set. So we'll take the 210s off, which is 20-pound difference. And I'm not going to really take that much of a rest break. I'll get a couple more deep breaths. Who keeps putting this song on? I can't focus with Foxes playing. Next exercise is palm up, pull down. Last time I did 7 reps at 220. So let's see if we can beat that. Let's see. Here we go. Eight. All right, I've decided to stay away from the deadlifts. Let's see how this feels. And maybe I'd play around with the weight. I honestly have no idea how much I should be doing on this. Okay, that feels pretty good. So on these, I'm imagining it's like a dumbbell pullover. Elbows are straight. I'm just imagining my lats bringing the weight down. I think I could go a little bit heavier though. Yeah. Yeah, the pump I feel from that versus deadlifts, I kind of like that more. So I'm gonna put 2 sets on this. All right, workout complete. I'm back. Had a pretty good pump from that. So this is now round 4, and the main difference, I'm going to continue with the 2 days of rest from round 3, but the main difference is going to be I'm going to at least include some drop sets or rest pause, and certain exercises I'm going to make some tweaks. So instead of deadlifts, I'm going to do a pullover or maybe a row. I think I'll have to look into it. I know for sure on leg day, I'm going to incorporate 2 exercises for calves. So standing calf raise, seated calf raise. And those are the kind of main differences. So I've taken what I've learned from the first 3 rounds, and now I'm customizing it based on my goals. And some of that is just based on certain areas I want to improve. Oh, also on leg day, I'm probably going to either add a abductor workout on one day and the other something for hamstrings or glutes, like something along those lines. I know that's kind of what the deadlift was doing. So I'm gonna make just some little tweaks on this round. But for the most part, certain things are going to stay the same. For sure, I'm going to keep continuing trying to hit PRs. I'm going to do my sets to failure and really just focus on getting stronger, but also try to improve on areas as far as to become more aesthetic. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Also, check out the link in my description below for online coaching. Fill out that form. I'll reach out to you directly, and we will see you in the next one.